Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive in Cambridge. This is a VW T5 that we've been working on today. So what this customer has opted for is to replace the current system that was in the vehicle with a Kenwood DDX 8016 DABS head unit. So what we've installed here, this head unit comes with DAB+, Apple CarPlay, as well as Bluetooth as well. So you can Bluetooth stream and keep the kids entertained with all the entertainment features that it has on there as well. So what we've managed to do is integrate the steering wheel controls as well. So there's not lost that facility there as well. So this head unit is quite a popular one for us. So it comes with quite a few different features. What we've also done, an aux cable has been installed as well into here. So it comes with a USB port, but we've also run a separate aux lead in there as well for this customer. So up here is the microphone there as well, so it's all neatly tucked away, and that's the head unit as well. So it looks really OEM, looks now part of the car, finished in a lovely black, and also this fascia plate here that we fitted. If you have any questions or anything like this, or would like to hear more about this product here itself, or to arrange an installation with us, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, and what I'll be doing is I'll be listing all the information in the description below, so please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also give us a like on this YouTube video as well. Thank you very much. This vehicle has also, just to quickly add, has also been washed and valeted as well on the interior and on the exterior as well. Just that's included on every install that we carry out, whether that's sort of £39 install or up to into the thousands. So please do give us a call if you have any questions. Our contact number again for you is 01223 56 30 30. Thank you very much for watching.